Welcome to Vandago's Kitchen, and today I'm about to do the breakfast quesadilla. Stay tuned. Here are the ingredients I'm about to use. I'm about to use the flour tortilla, some cheese, American cheese, sour cream. I got the country crock butter. I got the green onions, tomatoes, some spring mix, and the eggs. So first thing first, I'm about to crack and beat these eggs. Now I'm about to cut this green onion, and I'm about to add it to the eggs, and I'm going to use another part of it for garnish in the end. And there you have it. Beautiful. Now with my battered eggs, I'm going to add some of these green onions to it. I'm going to add a pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper. Go ahead and whisk it on in. Now I'm going to go ahead and slice up this tomato. There you have it. So here I'm going to cook off some bacon. Time to take the bacon off. Alright, now it's time to put everything together. My pan spray here. I'm going to add in my eggs. And now we're going to put the tortilla over it. Like so, and press down, like so. Now I'm going to flip the tortilla over. Like that, and that's what you should get. Beautiful, right? Add a little butter. Just to help with the browning of your tortilla and give it more flavor. Now while that's happening at the bottom, you're going to add your ingredients to the top. You're going to add your 2 slices of cheese. You're going to add your spring mix. You're going to add your tomato slices. And you're going to add your bacon. And you're going to get it. You're going to flip and down. You can even add a little bit more butter if you need be. I'm doing this all on a medium heat. Look at that beautiful browning. Just beautiful. Now it's time to plate it. Now let's try that garnish. Remember those green onions that I saved? Just add it to there. Spread it. A little bit of sour cream. Like so. You can also add a little bit of salsa. Just plain beautiful.
It smells really good too. This one there. How'd you do it? I feel so fancy using a fork and knife. There you go. Oh. Tastes like something you get from a restaurant.
Oh, that was the idea.
It looks like something you would get from a restaurant. Yes, it does.
That was the idea.
It's really, really good.
Thank you.
And this is Dad's famous quesadilla.